Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to mute on Amazon Chime. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to mute on Amazon Chime, all you need to do is simply tap open your Amazon Chime account. So once you open the app, you will open the account as well and simply tap on meeting. Then simply hit on the start an instant meeting, and after you do so, you need to start a meeting or join a meeting as well. So once you start a meeting, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to join in, and then you can find the mic like button. So once you tap on the mic button, you will be muting yourself on your Amazon Chime account. So if you press it again, then you will be unmuted on Amazon Chime. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.